Assalamualaikum, this is Alia and welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you again to our bukid and I will tell you a little bit about Dipolog. Geographically, the city is surrounded by rolling hills to the southeast and the Sulu Sea to the north. Dipolog is known for its wild orchids and its sardine industry. It is also known as the gateway to Western Mindanao and has also been called the bottled sardines capital of the Philippines. Major source of livelihood are construction, fishing, agriculture, and services. So I hope that you will enjoy this video and thank you so much for watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So ayan, nakikita nyo, green na green ang kapaligiran, diba? Kaya kapag ka nandito kayo, hindi nyo talaga mapigilan ang mag-video, lalo na kapag kayo ay nature lover. Actually, sumaglit lang ako dito kasi nga chinek ko lang kung nakopra na yung mga niyog namin. Maliit lang naman talaga ang portion namin dito kasi ang kabuuan nito ay sa lolo namin. Kaya nung namatay siya, nahati sa mga anak niya, and since marami siyang mga anak, kaya maliliit lang ang portion, ang hati ng bawat mga anak. So ito sa amin, ay dyan lang yung mga niyog, ayan, dyan lang yung portion namin, yung may mga niyogan. So ngayon, mag-isa lang ako napunta dito. Tapos bigla akong naisip, paano pala kapag may ahas? Hindi ko mapigilan na isipin na Kaya siguro naisip ko magtitigan na lang kami ng ahas if ever magpakita siya. Tsaka hindi naman ako makatakbo kasi nga bukod sa maputik yung daanan, hindi ako fan ng takbo. Mabagal akong tumakbo. Pero anyway, wala naman yan. Kasi nga, doon sa bandang taas, nandoon naman yung bahay ng pinsan ko. Tapos sa kabila, meron din akong pinsan. Although magkakalayo nga lang. So ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Maputik, diba, yung daanan na yan. Hindi ako na-inform. Hindi ko naisip yon nung pumunta ako dito na tag-ulan pala. Pero nakayanan naman. Kasi nga syempre, nahirapan akong maglakad. Lalo na kapag maputik, madudulas, diba? Pero alhamdulillah, okay naman. Kaya ayan, panuorin na lang natin ang kagandahan ng kapaligiran. Ayan, pauwi na ako kasi hindi pa pala nakopra ang mga niyog namin. So maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. Thank you for watching.